Hey guys, welcome back to Indian Aviation Jobs YouTube channel. My name is Nitin Singh and in this video I am going to talk about Qatar Airways is hiring ground staff in Ahmedabad. So before I begin my video, I would like to request you to please subscribe this channel because I keep on uploading such amazing videos. So with that said, let's begin.
Audio Jungle.
So guys, the position name which Qatar Airways is hiring is Customer Experience Customer Service Agent CSA, जिसको कि हम short form बोलते हैं, and unit is Contact Center AMD, means Ahmedabad. So the country is India and city is Ahmedabad and the unit is customer service, and the last date a lot of people ask is 23/8/2021. So guys, if you talk about the role, we are looking for customer service agent with natural flair of delivering unforgettable service in our Qatar Airways customer center in Ahmedabad. As a customer service agent, you will provide excellent service to the Qatar Airways customers. So you can just pause it and read it. And if we talk about that, responsibilities include professional training based on MADS. So let's talk about the requirements. Okay guys, let's talk about the requirement. The successful candidate must have the following qualifications: high school qualification with 2 years of customer service experience, having completed ITA or airline basic tariff is preferred. If you have ITA certification, then it is preferred. Excellent written and spoken English, interactive, customer service oriented and warm, cheerful and expressive personality, customer focused and always drive customer satisfaction, flexible to work on shifts, willing to relocate to Ahmedabad. So this is all about the position guys. The link is also going to be in the description. You can read about more of it. So if you want to apply and if you meet the criteria, you simply have to hit the application button here, and it will take you to the login page where you have to accept the privacy policy. So this is the privacy agreement. You just accept it, and then from here you have to upload your CV and some more additional questions they will be asking, and you just continue. So now personal details, education and experience, job specific question, and submit. So this is a very small form. Fill it, and if you have any questions, any queries, you can comment down below. And अगर आपने यहाँ तक वीडियो देखा है, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also hit the like, and इस वीडियो को शेयर करें. तब तक के लिए thank you so much. जय हिंद and stay safe.